and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have August Little Bee box and August Little Bee hair accessory box to show you. Do you want to know what's in these boxes? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so August 2023 Little Bee box and Little Bee hair accessory box just arrived. They did send these to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your boxes to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys saw last month's video, it was the first time me bringing this company to my channel, and I was super impressed. I love the concept for yourself. If you have a small one that you want to just spoil and have a monthly box, or if you know somebody who's going to be having a baby, or you know somebody who already has a baby and you want to send a gift, you can send one-time boxes. I just really love this concept. So let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see what's going to be in the Little Bee box first, and then we will go through the hair accessories box. The box itself is super cute, and these boxes are constructed so well that you can save them and store stuff in them if you would like. I just really like them, so I don't like throwing away things you can repurpose. And it's too cute. So when we open this up, there's a little sneak peek to inside of the box. There's some paperwork on top, and then when we move some of the tissue paper, this thing is jam-packed full of goodies. So with this one, you get to say boy or girl, the age bracket that they are in, and then it's basically tailored for you or for that gift for another. Me personally, I unfortunately do not have any children, just my little Vienna, my dog. So I do have a very close friend here who has a little one. I think she's just turned 7 months this month. So what I basically told them, if they wanted to send something that's more age appropriate for her, then I can give these to my friend who she can send me photos and stuff like that. So I can show you guys them actually on a little one. And then I get some baby time because I get to see her. So it's definitely a win-win. So let's go ahead and start by seeing what is all inside of this box. Again, it looks jam-packed and I'm super excited. So August is Pamper Party. Activities you can do together is DIY facials, mani-pedis, session relaxation time, create a memory book, mindful snack time. Remember, the focus is on spending quality time together, having fun, and showing each other care and affection. These pampering activities will not only leave you both feeling refreshed, but will also create lasting memories and special moments shared between mom and her kid. The Little Bee box. So what's inside the box? It does say on the back, and it does give you pricing and everything, so that is great. And here is a little thank you, which goes over their social media. So I'm so excited. So the first thing right on top that I saw, these are hot and cold iPads, and they're reusable. And it says free gift, so this would be for the mom. So if you are tired, you have some puffiness, you can leave these in the refrigerator, put them on for a little relaxation time for yourself. And that is super cool though. That's a great summer theme with them being watermelon. So again, this just says a free gift. Last month there was a free gift too, and it was a coffee mug and a spoon that was really pretty. And so I guess maybe every month, because last month was my first one, so I wasn't quite sure what was all going on, but it looks like every month you'll have a free little gift for the mom, which that is awesome. Okay, so next up, this is super cute. It's like a little jungle theme, and you can hang this anywhere. Activities for the baby. It says musical mirror pal. So is it, let's see. It's the little things. I was excited when I heard that. They have little like crinkle in there, and then when you pull it, and it's cool, it's a different little tune the second time as well. And then there's a mirror, they can see themselves. But that is neat. You can hang it anywhere, on the car seat, on the stroller. You can hang it in their crib. You can hang this anywhere. Then they can hear the sound and interact. That's so neat. So here is this. So this is the musical mirror valued for $10.99. So next up we have, oh my gosh, these are so cute. Look at these socks, you guys. Oh my gosh. These are Sparkle My Universe baby socks valued for $16.99. These are for 0 to 12 month, and that is simply adorable. So there's literally, you have 6 sets here. There's 2 on each. So there's 2 pairs and 2 pairs of each color, and they all have these little bows on them. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. And look at how adorable. So this is 6 to 9 months. So this is going to be a little bit big on her. She is so tiny and petite. So 3 to 6 months is what she's still currently wearing, but we will get her in some photos to show you. Hopefully it will fit, but if not, definitely she can grow into this. But look at how adorable. It says love, all sparkly, and it says My Destiny is the brand. So for this, oh, here's, don't forget your drawers. Here is like the diaper cover to go underneath. Definitely be a lady. This is a girl 2-piece set. $12.99 for the value, and that is just too cute. And you can see like it kind of has like a rainbow effect down on like this little tutu thing with the different colors. That is super cute. I think that is so cute. Anastasia is gonna look so freaking adorable in that. And this is so neat. I don't know if my friend has done this yet, but I know she loves to do different things kind of like this. So if she hasn't done this, she's going to love this. If she's already done one, she can do another one because her hand's a different size now. But this says, Baby's Print Keepsake Tiny Ideas. Create a real print of your baby's hand or foot. No mixing, no mess, air drying. No mixing and no mess. That sounds amazing. It just says you roll it, you press it, you cut it out, and it's ready. Very simple and easy. So this one is pink for the girl. So I bet if it was a boy, they would have got a blue in color. But this right here says Baby's Print Keepsake, valued for $10.49. That is so cool. I can't wait for her to do this as well. And then the last item in here is this big old thing of wipes, you guys. It says Laughing Llama Pure Water Baby Wipes. Lotion formula, so gentle, it's 99% water. Thick and soft cloth feel like. Llama Baby Wipes. This is valued for $2.29. So now that is everything for this August box. Again, this was tailored for my friend's baby. So it is for a girl and geared 3 to 6 or 6 to 9 months. And so anything that you would order would become age appropriate for you. So the different clothing items and the different items inside would change, but it would be appropriate for that age and gender. And I love that. So a quick recap of this August box. You have this big old thing of wipes. You have the cutest little thing to make a handprint or a footprint. So even if she's done a hand, then she could do the foot, or you know what I mean? That is really, really neat. You have the cutest little outfit. Oh my goodness gracious. That is adorable with the little diaper cover in there as well. You have 6 different socks that are super, super cute. You have this, and then you have a free little gift for the mom. So now let's go ahead and dive into August Little Bee hair accessories box. This one is super cute because it's all hair accessories and they're all sent at random. Again, age appropriate for the child, but that is so cute. It comes in this little box, which you could also store the stuff in here. You could write on the back like ribbons or pink or blue, whatever color. And then so they're all organized. And whenever you're trying to find something for your little one's hair, you can just pull it and they'll all be inside. So you can always save them to organize. Down inside of here, you do have the Little Bee hair accessories card saying thank you and going over their social media. And then when you open up this month's box, this is a sneak peek to what it looks like. So, oh my goodness, I have never seen these so small before. Look at how cute. Oh my gosh, I love baby stuff. They're snap clips. There's 2 of each color. It looks like there's 9 different colors. And so there's 18 total. That is so neat because then whatever you're wearing, you have something that could go with whatever outfit. That is cute. Oh my goodness, I love these. Then like these 2 here can definitely go with the outfit for the month, but I know my friend, she loves teal just like me. So I know the little one's got some teal clothing going on, so I know that one will get to use as well. But look at how cute these little bows are for their hair. Oh my goodness. Okay, so what else is in here? Oh, look at how cute. Oh my gosh, those are adorable. And then there's one more thing in here. Oh, these are cute. They're little headbands. Look at how adorable. And that definitely would go with the outfit for this month as well. So, oh my goodness, 2 head wraps. That is adorable. So for the hair accessories box for August, you have these little head wraps. You have these cute little ones right here. You have these bows and then these clips. Oh my goodness, you guys, that is super cute. Comment down below and let me know, what did you think of the items that was in here for my friend's age appropriate child? What do you think of this concept? I absolutely love it. If you want a little bit more information about this box, either one, I will let you know right about now. I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty, and that will get you 30% off your very first box if you are a new customer. The Little Bee box. So the main big box, each box includes 5 to 8 products picked by passionate parents on our board to make every day fun and fulfilling for your baby, making every moment memorable and joyous. Several questions to tailor the box at checkout. So they ask you a lot of questions, like I said, if it's a boy or a girl, the age appropriate, that kind of thing. So it's tailored for that specific child. There are 3 different levels. You can do the gold, which is a month-to-month term. That is $51.95 per month. Silver would be a 6-month term, bringing it down to $45.95 per month. And the platinum would be a full 12-month term, and that would be $43 per month. Again, you could always gift this to somebody if you know already has a child or is pregnant. That is a great baby shower gift as well. You could even order the one-time box. They have a one-time gift box. It's $65 with free shipping. You get to answer the questions, male or female, the age and all of that. So they take all the guesswork out for you. They'll have the box tailored for that age appropriate child, a mystery of the items inside. You can have it shipped directly to the recipient, or you can have it shipped to you if you're going to attend the baby shower. And then you just bring that with you and it's already ready, age appropriate, and you don't even have to go to the store, try to figure out what they might need, what they don't need, that kind of thing. It's all done for you. So I love that concept. So in the Little Bee hair accessories box, we've created a magical experience for your little one with our kids hair accessory box. Packed with wonder and excitement, each box contains not 1, not 2, but 5 delightful items that will bring joy to their hairdos. And then that one also does ask several questions as well. And I believe it even gets a little more in depth, like glittery, sparkly, this and that. So it will be tailored again for that child. The gold plan is a month-to-month. It's $20.95 per box. The silver plan would be a 6-month term, and that will bring it down to $17.99, or the full 12-month term will bring the box price down to $15.99 each. US shipping only. You can cancel at any time. And if you're not 100% happy with the size that you chose, you can contact them and they will work with you to make it right. So then they can get all the sizing and everything down going forward for your box. So you just reach out to customer service. They will answer any questions, help you out, and all of that. So now that is everything to show for both of these boxes this month. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.